Good to see you guys again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to talk about this $40 headphone on Amazon's code Maono AU-MH601. Quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video, but I was given this headphone to try out and review. As you see from the unboxing, we have a very clean looking box here and a list of specs at the back of the box. Got some more list of features on the side of the box over here as well. Now I was kind of surprised when I first pulled this headphone out of the box because there's only this foam bag that was covering it. There's no cardboard and plastic protective shell to store the headphone in. Don't get me wrong, this is not a deal breaker. I just think that it would have protected the headphone better during the shipping process. So right out of the box, we have this matte black headphone, and I believe this is the only color so far. And this material feels very soft. This feels very nice. It doesn't feel like a $40 headphone at all. Seems like the headphone ear cup is spring loaded, so you won't be able to lay it flat on the table like this. It will just push itself right back to the regular position. The ear pads are big, soft, and comfortable, so you can wear the headphone for a long period of time, for me at least. If you don't feel comfortable with the ear pads that it comes with, you can easily pull it off like so and purchase a set of ear pads that fits your ear. Removable ear pads are a great feature to have because you can always replace them after they wear out over time. Speaking of paddings, I do wish that they have a little bit more padding on top over here at the headphone band. Not saying that it's uncomfortable, but after using it for about an hour, most of the discomfort comes from the headband here, not the ear cups. At least for me. But I have to say the overall design is very clean and minimal, and I really like it. You have the Maono brand on top of the headphone here and the sleek logo on both sides of the ear cups. Over here we have the standard adjustment of the headphone. If you look closely, you will see numbers for each increment, so you will be able to know which setting and size is the most comfortable for you instead of having to try to guess all the time when you put it on. Love the attention to details here, and the overall build quality feels very solid and well built for its price. As for connectivity, we have the 3.5mm and the 1/4 inch jack over here. It's very interesting to see there are both options on a headphone. This will allow you to do music sharing and mixing and many other functions that you can think of with 2 inputs on this headphone. You can daisy chain this to other headphones, and perhaps you can use one of the input connected to this cord using an external mic for gaming purposes. The cable that comes with it also has an adapter for both, so you are very well covered here. It's a 1/4 inch to a 1/4 inch, and you can screw off the 1/4 inch on both sides for 3.5mm headphone jack if you want. As you see, this is a coil cable and it goes up to 5.9 feet according to the box over here. It doesn't come with a straight cable like many other headphone companies do, but I like how everything is very minimal and usable. Of course the coil cable is bigger, but this way you don't have to worry about pulling your cable accidentally. I definitely see a lot of people might want the option of a straight cable because it's just so much lighter and smaller. Now regarding the audio, this headphone sounds good. Actually a lot better than I expected. I'm not an audiophile by any means, but this headphone is really fun to listen to. The bass is definitely better than many other cheap headphones out there, but sometimes I do feel like it's a bit hard to identify different instruments when listening to music. But it's a lot easier to hear voice communication, especially when you're using it to monitor or record a podcast. Overall, the clarity is pretty amazing. The price of this headphone is $42.99 at the time of me making this video. At the end of the day, if this headphone fits the activities or work that you're doing, this could be the all-in-one deal. Especially there's 2 different inputs on this headphone, which allows you to mix and share music and many other functions that you can think of. Honestly, I don't think there are many headphones that has 2 different input at this price range. Not even the higher end headphones out there. Overall, you can do a lot with this headphone, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one deal. This could be the only headphone you need, and it doesn't sound too shabby at all. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell on your way out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.